We're heading over to see Ruby, who is a Rüppells Griffon Vulture. And Ruby is a very interesting bird to work with. She is quite large. She's around about 13 pounds in weight, and she's quite feisty too. So a lot of people are a little bit nervous around her, myself included. So we're actually going to start doing some training with her, and we have a few ideas of what we want to achieve with Ruby long term. Ooh. Oh, terrifying. It's a lot of rage you got there. Will you come and wait for me? So the first few things that we need to do with Ruby are to train her to sit on the weighing scales. It's very important that we check her weight just to monitor her health. Good girl, come on then. It's okay, it's okay. Oh. You can do it nice and relaxed. Good girl. We're also introducing a target stick, which is basically a stick with a ball on the end, and Ruby will be trained to touch the target. Now the target's already useful, and once she's touching the target, we'll ask her to hold to the target, hold her beak and touch it. It will allow us to move her around the enclosure, and it will also be very useful to keep her at a safe distance. And then we will also be looking to train her to go inside her travel box. Now this will be so that we can actually move her from aviary to aviary, and also we're going to use it for an emergency recall, so we're able to call Ruby back in case anything goes wrong while she's outside. So you weigh 13 pounds 1. Hey, that's good. So Ruby currently only goes into the box if there's food inside, but what I'd like to train her to do is to go in of her own accord, hopefully point into the box, so she will see the pointing cue as an instruction to go in and then get rewarded afterwards. So we're going to work towards this over the coming weeks. Ruby is pretty smart, so I think she'll get this fairly quickly. Good girl. Good. Oh, liver. Yummy. Good girl. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Wait. Well, that wasn't very friendly. Can I get the weighing scales, please? I know. Ruby! Oh yeah, scales. Have we changed everything? Oh no! Good girl. Come. I said come. Ruby! Come on! Over here! Ruby! Good girl! Come on then! Hey! Just get a nice close up. Gosh, you like that, don't you? You gonna come down? Come on then. So we're going to try Ruby's new routine. Gonna come down to the scales. Wait. Yeah. It's not quite what we wanted, was it? No. You're gonna go over? Okay. On here. On scales. Okay. Calm. Come on then. Yes. Now the main goal with Ruby is to have her flying free in our flying arena, as you can see. It's a beautiful spot. And this is going to take some time. She already has been flying out here before with some of the previous falconers, but we need to start building relationships with the falconers that are here right now. The problem we have with Ruby is that she can be very aggressive when she's out here, particularly when it comes to food, and it seems to come from maybe a place of nervousness. So while she's in her aviary, we're trying to spend the next couple of months really working with her to keep her as calm as possible. We're actually going to try and reward calm behaviour, and that will hopefully help us build a relationship with her, but also teach her that being calm gets more rewards. So that's actually the long-term plan with Ruby, and when she's out here and she's doing hopefully the displays in the summer months, we would also like to give her a degree of autonomy as well, allow her to decide what she wants to do and when she wants to fly. After we completed the training sessions, I tried to spend a little bit of time with Ruby in her aviary, just to help build the relationship a little bit further, and she does seem to quite like having human company with her. Now, if you would like to see more of Ruby, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, then do leave them in the comments below. I'll try to get to as many as I can. That said, we will see you in the next one.